Sure. Here's a product description for the Electric Cooker Dormitory Multi-Cooker Household. Electric Cooker Dormitory Multi-Cooker Household for hot pot cooking, frying and double-layer soup heating, EU/US plug. Cook smarter and faster with the Electric Cooker Dormitory Multi-Cooker, a compact and versatile kitchen companion perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms, apartments, and offices. Designed with multifunctionality in mind, this double-layer electric fire key features, multifunction design, ideal for hot pot, frying, boiling, steaming, and slow cooking. Prepare an entire meal with one appliance. Double-layer structure. Cook different dishes simultaneously with the upper and lower compartments. User-friendly controls. Simple temperature adjustment for precise cooking. Intuitive interface suitable for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Compact and portable, lightweight and space-saving. Perfect for dormitories, studio apartments, and travel. Durable and safe. Made with food-grade materials and equipped with overheat protection and anti-dry burn safety features. Dual plug options, EU/US available with both EU and US plug standards to suit your region. Whether you're craving a bubbling hot pot, crispy stir-fry, or slow-cooked soup, this multi-cooker delivers convenience and performance in one sleek unit.